Hey YouTube, so this happened today. Brand new 2023 Nissan Frontier Pro 4X. Yeah, it's a red alert red. It's fairly loaded. I didn't get leather. To get one with leather would have cost me an extra $4,500 for the next model up. Prices are inflated. That would have got me leather, the better sound system, and a self-dimming mirror. Options are different here in Canada than in the States. Let's take you inside. Oh, smells like new truck. But yeah, I really like this thing. It's so hot. More bells and whistles in the Ranger. Go. Yeah, it's some light on it. Oh, camera's dirty. That's too bright. I'll turn it there. But yeah, no, this thing's fairly loaded. It's got wireless charging, which I really wanted. It's got Ranger didn't have the 360-degree mirror camera. Sorry, it's been a long day. I didn't sleep last night. I'm flipping tired. Dual climate control, old school knob for the four-wheel drive. But yeah, I mean, this thing's. I like this. Nice big screen. See, the Ranger had one speedometer in the middle, and then the left-hand screen you can customize the screens like tachometer and stuff. But this one's got a dedicated tachometer, which I like. Yeah, just all the goodies. I think me and this truck are gonna have a good time together. I gotta put timbrins in the back for the suspension for hauling the old trailer, because I don't like using weight distribution hitches. There's little colored inserts in the Pro 4X. I've got rubber floor mats coming. They're just not at the dealership yet. Sorry, this is kind of a weird video, but yeah. Lots of room for the dogs back there. Yeah, room for the dogs, and got the dog hammock back there. There's actually a lot of storage under the seat in this thing too. If I can figure out how to open it. It's probably right there. Storage under there too. But yeah, it's gonna be a gooder. The box has bed lighting. It's got these rails for extra cleats and other accessories. I'll have to play with that this weekend. Dampened tailgate. It's got a 120 volt outlet in the back there, if you can see that. I'm looking forward to playing with this truck. I gotta figure out how the remote start works, but yeah, it's LED headlights. I'm not too sad about the leather. Leather has its pros and cons. But anyways, take her easy, YouTube. Oh, yeah. I can't wait to get some wood for this thing. This thing has lower payload than the Ranger, though. But we'll kind of just ignore that. We'll go by axle weights. That's more important. Take her easy.